Welcome to our comprehensive guide on prison escapes. Disclaimer: we do not endorse illegal activities. This is purely for entertainment purposes. Let's explore some highly theoretical methods to break free from those iron bars. Now, this is a classic. You'll need a spoon, a lot of patience, and possibly a talent for geology. Start digging under your cell. Just remember, avoid the cafeteria. You don't want to end up in the sewer. This is a long-term strategy, but it might just work. Become the prison's golden boy. Volunteer for everything from the choir to the prison newspaper. Build relationships with guards. Who knows, maybe they'll give you a key to the front gate as a reward. Unleash your inner escape artist. Practice handcuff escapes, learn to pick locks, and master the art of disappearing into thin air. Bonus points if you can escape from a straitjacket while performing a magic show for the guards. Method 4, the food truck escape. This one requires a bit of planning. Bribe the kitchen staff to create a food truck. Disguise yourself as a chef, load up the truck with your prison buddies, and make a daring escape. Just remember to order extra fries. Method 5, the library escape. Who says you need brawn when you can use brain? Become the prison's resident intellectual. Study law, learn about prison regulations, and find a loophole. With enough legal jargon, you might just talk your way out. Method 6, the alien abduction. This one's a long shot, but hey, why not? Become obsessed with UFOs. Build a giant alien antenna. Hope for the best. You might just get beamed up to another planet, leaving your prison troubles behind. Method 7, the virtual reality escape. In the future, maybe prisons will have VR technology. If so, you're in luck. Practice your gaming skills, find a glitch in the system, and escape into the virtual world. Just hope it doesn't disconnect you in the middle of a dragon fight. Method 8, the celebrity fan club. Cultivate a massive fan base. Get celebrities to visit you, stage a daring rescue. It's a long shot, but hey, anything's possible in the world of celebrity. Method 9, the time travel escape. If all else fails, build a time machine. Travel back in time, prevent yourself from committing the crime, and avoid prison altogether. Just make sure you don't accidentally create a time paradox. Method 10, the peaceful protest. Okay, this one is really unlikely. But imagine organizing a prison-wide protest. Demand better food, shorter sentences, and of course freedom. Who knows, maybe the governor will take pity on you. Remember, these are all just jokes. Breaking out of prison is illegal and dangerous. Always follow the rules, be a good prisoner, and hope for parole. Or, just keep watching funny escape movies. Disclaimer: do not attempt any of these methods in real life. Subscribe for more ridiculous life advice.